Hi everyone, today in this video I'll show you how you can fix Windows Spotlight images not changing or updating in Windows 10 or Windows 11. To get started, simply go to your Windows settings, then go to personalization, then scroll down and click on lock screen. Now here make sure Windows Spotlight is selected and see if this fixes the issue or not. The next method, right click over the start menu Windows icon and open Terminal Admin. Now copy the first command from the video description and hit enter. If this gives any error, then restart your computer and try again and see if this fixes the issue or not. In the next method, search for command prompt, right click over it and run it as administrator. Now copy the second command from video description and hit enter to execute it. Now copy the third command and paste it in the CMD window to execute it. Now right click over the start menu Windows icon and run Windows Terminal again and copy the fourth command from the video description and hit enter to execute it. In the next method, search for command prompt again, right click over it and run it as administrator. Now type in this command ipconfig/flushdns and hit enter. Now type the second command netsh winsock reset and hit enter. It will ask you to restart your computer. Simply restart your computer and see if this fixes the issue or not. If none of the methods are working, then as a last resort, simply search for network reset and open it. From here, click on reset now and this should fix the issue. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.